So from the geyser to the waterfall, this is fucking spectacular. It's pissing out of the heavens. I've still got my shorts on and it's freezing fucking cold, but I mean it's just absolutely amazing to look at this. Welcome to Iceland, or Iceland, you know. Fucking gorgeous, eh? Unbelievable. And then there's someone with a fucking umbrella that just fucking photobombed my little fucking video. Fucking bastard with an umbrella. Why? Oh, fucking tourist. What do you look? Fucking tourist. He photobombed me. Fucking photobomber. Anyway, come to Iceland. It's worth it. Look at the fucking this. Get wet. Get fucking drunk on red wine and just embrace the place. Fucking great. So, actually, I'll take my glasses off because I can see a bit better. There's like a mist blowing off the waterfall here. As I turn the camera around, you'll see what I mean. But it's absolutely, it's like it's fucking rain. It's unbelievable. Unbelievable. Fucking hell. Woohoo. This is blowing fucking this way. Into the face. Unbelievable. Amazing, man. Incredible. Okay, so I'm contemplating jumping naked in there for $10. Anybody? $10? And I'll go in there naked with the wiener hanging out.